Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about heart attack. The heart is made of muscle cells. These cells, just like other cells in the body, that must receive oxygen and food through circulatory system. The blood vessels which supply oxygen and food to the heart are called coronary arteries. A hard substance called plaque can build up in the walls of coronary arteries. This plaque is made of fat and other cells. The coronary arteries may become narrow due to plaque. Sometimes a blood clot forms on the plaque and blocks coronary arteries. Due to this, the blood cannot reach a part of the heart. This part of the heart begins to die due to lack of oxygen and food. The death of a part of a heart is called a heart attack. If too much heart muscles die, the heart is unable to pump the blood and the person could die. Heart attack symptoms may include chest pain, shortness of breath, heavy sweating, etc., which is a medical emergency. I hope so you got this concept how diet affects our circulatory system and may cause many diseases like heart attack, blood pressure, etc.